Imagine sitting down to a meal, whether it's a fresh salad or a frozen pizza. Now picture this. Your food might have been picked, processed, packed and even seasoned by a machine that learns as it works. Welcome to the world where artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping the very nature of how your food goes from the farm to your fork. This isn't some far-fetched sci-fi fantasy, it's happening right now. AI has slipped into the kitchen, and not just any kitchen, massive industrial food processing operations that churn out products on a scale you can barely imagine. From sorting vegetables to predicting the perfect ripeness of fruit, AI is playing a critical role behind the scenes, learning and improving as it goes, making decisions that used to be human territory. Automated vision systems powered by machine learning scan thousands of pieces of produce at lightning speed, assessing quality, color, and size. That perfectly uniform bag of potatoes? Thank AI for that. AI is also the brain behind predictive models that help processors manage everything from shelf life to shipping logistics, ensuring your juicy burger arrives in perfect condition. Food processors are using AI to help determine taste profiles, balance ingredients, and even experiment with new flavors. It's almost like AI is becoming a food scientist with a knack for trend spotting. By predicting equipment failures before they happen, adjusting processing schedules, and keeping energy consumption in check, AI maximizes efficiency, saving money and reducing downtime. With the increasing demand for eco-friendly practices, AI is helping companies reduce their carbon footprint, analyzing water and energy needs to minimize waste and ensure green production. The future of food is tech-infused, and while it may taste the same, the process behind it is anything but traditional. So, next time you take a bite of your favorite snack, don't be surprised if a little piece of AI is lurking in there too.